I've recently got this great little CNC from banggood.com, which happily cuts stone, wood, plastic and even metal. There's a proper review of this machine, and I'll pop a link to that in the video description. Now, my daughter Ellie absolutely loves dinosaurs, and by extension, fossils. I've hidden dinosaur bones for her to find before, but as we've now got a garden full of stones, I thought it would be fun if she could find some fossils. Slate is a very soft stone, and there are many chunks of slate already in the garden, so it seemed like a perfect choice of rock. I found some slate with some flat bits on. Then I sanded down the flat bits so they were nice and smooth with some wet sandpaper stuck to a glass plate. Some of my early attempts failed as the slate was a bit tricky to hold on the machine, so I found that using my bench sander I could quickly make another flat bit to help with mounting stone to the machine. Obviously there's a lot of nasty dust and bits and pieces in the air with this, so make sure you use breathing protection. Google image search reveals absolutely loads of suitable fossils to choose from, and I chose a few simple designs that she might recognise and imported them into my CNC software. I'm using Vectric Aspire desktop as it's really awesome. Now it's carving time. They all turned out great, and I've given them a wash so there were no nasty bits of dust, and hidden them strategically in the garden. And she loves them, and they're going in her special stone collection.
Orange rocks, they fossils.
Budding geologist, this one. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks very much all.